Hey guys, this is Mark with Get It Done. I wanted to introduce my new channel and explain what it is that I'm trying to accomplish with it. 16 years ago, my wife and I bought a new house. And there is no way we thought that 16 years from then we'd still be working on remodeling it. And it just hasn't worked out the way we thought. There's lots of reasons for that. Just like you, life kind of gets in the way. Um, Graduate school, family, church, all the things that you need to do, your job. And before you know it, you're left with a whole bunch of projects and maybe even some mistakes, delays, everything. You want to get it done, but you just feel like you can't. Well, part of that is because I've had to learn. And like you're probably not an expert. I'm not an expert. My primary tool that I use is YouTube, and it really has helped a lot. But I found when I watch certain videos that, uh, it's not like it's not like they were intentionally leaving things out, but there's things that are left out, or you try it and it doesn't just work out the way that you thought it would. This video is to introduce my channel and explain what I'm trying to accomplish with it. First is I'm going to try new things. And as I watch videos and see maybe reviews of products that people recommend or of ways to do things, I'm going to try it myself, and I'll leave in the comments a link to the videos that I was looking at. And then I'm going to give my experience. I'm going to try to do it as unscripted as I can, meaning you'll see me make mistakes. That's one of the things that I've noticed about some of the videos I've watched is you feel like the people who are doing or fixing or building whatever it is that you're watching, they're so good. They don't ever make any mistakes. It's just they're pros. I'm not a pro, and I'm willing to show that to you. I'm willing to demonstrate that I make mistakes. I think there's some real value for that. And one of those things is the second goal that I have, that we'll create a community of people who are trying to do things by watching YouTube videos or reading, and we can support each other, maybe share tips on how it worked for you, what didn't work. Maybe you could point to a better video, but that's what I'd like to accomplish is those two things primarily. Getting ideas off of other people's videos, trying them, talking about my experience, learning how to do that new skill, and then getting a community built where people are talking about their experience in trying new things. So maybe a little bit more about myself that might help as far as what to expect. Home renovation is part of it. Also, as you saw in the trailer leading up to this, is a lot of auto mechanics, auto body, and things like that relating to cars. And then what I didn't show that I've had, a fair amount of experience with is repairing appliances like your dishwasher, microwave, your furnace, washer, dryer. At least I've experienced some of those things, but every time I come across something new, I have to go either rewatch the video because I forgot, or I have to go find a new one. I hope that together we can create a community of do-it-yourselfers who are going to get it done, to make things new, to remodel, or to just learn a new skill. So if that's something you're interested in, this is the channel that we could collaborate on and build a community of people who are trying to get it done. So let's get it done together. I think it sounds awesome. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the videos, in the discussions, and maybe even some live sessions.